Safely.
Hindi, mag-ano na tayo, pagtapos na ng wedding, doon tayo maliligot tayo sa beach.
Dagat tayo eh. Kasi malapit lang yun.
Celebrate natin yung birthday nila.
Magkano tayo ng ano, di ba? Ng itong van? Tuyo. Malaking van.
Yes, sa
Si ano?
You want to try this?
Black Sherry, mag-kisses.
Fernandina Beach.
Dito
lang tayo, malapit lang.
It's a fried fish.
Para ano.
It's salty.
Benji?
Tapos mag-iihaw tayo doon ng ano, mag-barbecue tayo.
Si Sherry, mag-30 sa July.
Tinuturo mo siya, eh, nakarecord siya.
Okay, yeah, then put it there, right there.
Sausaw. That's called sausaw.
Put some more sauce, dip it.
Okay.
There.
Picnic.
And it's good with rice. Put a little bit rice.
Rotang barbecue.
Yeah. And then put it in your mouth. There you go. You got it, boy. You good. You're fast. You're Filipino now.
Nag-crack pa yun. Nag-crack pa yun na. Nag-crack ko. Nagre-record yun. Lalagay sa Facebook. Abangan wala.
Close up naman yan, ah.
Okay, wait.
Maybe.
Napakuha niya.
Napakuha
Naka-record niya.
Baby. Record ka na. She's recording now.
Huwag mong basahin yung camera ko, ha?
Ano to? Ano bang tawag dyan?
Tilapia. Hindi, alam eh.
Yes, we got a tuyo.
Tuyo. What else? Buko.
We got buko too.
Kanin ubos.
We got what do you call this?
Achara.
Atsara. Yummy. Munggo. Sardinas. And eggplant. Torta.
Oh yeah, that's torta. You're
Miss
right.
Ate Irene. And Brian.
Alamasa with hipon in ano yan?
Crab.
Rice.
Counting rice daw.
And buko juice.
We have,
Wala nang rice?
ano pa yan? Sardinas. And salmon.
Manga.
Mango.
Tuyo. Ay, naku, may.
Tuyo.
Boy, I ate too much tuyo. It's good.
It's good.
Ooh, I finished it.
Itlog na maalat with tomato and onion.
Itlog na maalat is good too.
Yeah.
You can turn that off now.
I like my yung torta.
You can turn it off.
Ginisang munggo.
How do I do
Ito,
that?
ano ba yan? Yung omelette?
Yeah.